Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to put videos side by side in CapCut. First of all, open the CapCut and import your videos into the CapCut. Then simply drag these videos onto the timeline. So as you can see here, we have two videos. Now to put side by side, firstly drag the second video into the second track like this and then make it to the same size of the first one by just swiping on the right side of the video. And now to put multiple videos side by side, select the first one smaller size and move it to the left side or anywhere you want. Then select the second video smaller size. I will put here. Now if I play it, you can see here we have successfully put videos side by side in CapCut, but there is a black background behind these two videos. Now to remove this black background, simply you can make it larger and drag the first video into left side and then select the second video, maximize its size and like this. Now if you play it, you can see the videos playing side by side. So that's pretty much it for this video. I hope this video was helpful. If it is, like it and subscribe to the channel. Thank you.